My video guide will provide you with detailed instructions that will help you to remove misleading pop-ups and scary pop-ups that come from the site Onlinewebcoreprotection.online. This site, Onlinewebcoreprotection.online, is a fake alert. It displays misleading pop-ups that claim to be related to the well-known security program, but in reality these are fake security alerts. They are not related to any decent security software. So if you see these pop-ups by this malicious website, don't trust them. The real purpose of these pop-ups is to force you into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted applications. You should actually disregard these pop-ups and not interact with them. I would also recommend that you thoroughly research the system with the help of reliable antivirus software, and I recommend you to do that with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. It will help you to detect and remove other threats from your device. You may get Combo Cleaner on the official page combocleaner.com. Download the program, install the software. After you install it, start researching your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.